Shadow Puppets. This is off of their first album. This song is called Make a Noise.
Further she strays, he doesn't like it being this way, and she tried so hard to steer away from the meeting place, but her heart had led her there. His consciousness wherever he lays, struggles to sleep at night during the days, but she's waiting in his dreams, drag him back to the meeting place, left his love there, where the voice still echoes. Sorry I met you, darling. Sorry I met you. As she turned to the night, all she had one word. Sorry I met you, darling. Sorry I left you. Strolled around, playing the fool. They knew the time had come. Time would be cruel, because it is cruel to everyone. It's crying out from the meeting place. He's stranded himself there, where the voice still echoes.